happy soap makers. I'm Jeanette, a member of Nature's Garden's creative team. Recently, I joined the Soap Challenge Club to learn new techniques from different artisans, and I was fascinated by Lisa from I Dream in Soap. In January of 2020, she was part of the Bubble support team, and she created a variation of the soap that I made today. So I would like to give her credit. Fabulous looking soap. So please, if you haven't joined, I would consider doing that. And today we used a new fragrance, Coriander and Salted Olive. It's a beautiful scent. So I hope you enjoy our recipe. Let's whip it up.